Let's see how to work in CYPE Architecture when assigning layers to the different elements of our project. Drawing by grouping in layers allows us to manage the visibility of the model elements, showing or hiding them, with the aim of facilitating the architectural modelling process. If we now look at the bottom left of the interface, we find the Layers panel. Here there is a list with all the layers created in the project. We can lock or unlock each layer, as well as activate or deactivate its visibility. The tools for entering layers and working with them are in the toolbar above the list. Let's see them in detail. New layers can be created using the Add button. To delete a previously created layer, click on Delete, or right-click on the layer in the list. In the reference column, we can assign a name to a layer, or by double-clicking on it, we can edit it to rename it. In this example, we will assign the names A, B and C to the 3 new layers that we have just created. The arrows to the right of the delete icon allow us to organise the list of layers by moving all of the selected layers to the layer immediately above or below. By ticking the checkbox in the active column of a layer, it becomes the operative layer, and all elements entered from that moment onwards will be automatically assigned to this layer, whether in the Sketch, Architecture or Furniture tab. In our example, we are going to enter an item of furniture in each layer, a table in layer A, a chair in layer B, and a bed in layer C, so that when deactivating the visibility of each layer, we can check that the elements have been entered in the desired layers. The layer with the active box selected cannot be locked. In our case, we cannot lock layer C since it is the one marked as active. However, if we move to working with layer A as the active layer, it is automatically unlocked and allows us to lock layer C. If a layer is locked, none of the elements in that layer can be edited. Next, we will check that if layers A and B are unlocked and layer C is blocked, that when trying to capture the furniture to be copied, that we only capture the elements of the unlocked layers. In addition, when we copy an element, it will be copied directly onto the same layer of the original element. We can change the layer assigned to an element with the Assign Layer option at any time. By clicking on this button, a window will appear where we choose a destination layer to which we want to move the element. We can select the elements that we wish to change layer either one by one or by dragging to group them. We can also individually deactivate the display of the model elements with the Hide Elements button. If an element interferes with the modelling process but we need to see the layer it belongs to, we can hide the element leaving its layer visible, thereby simplifying the modelling of the project. With the Show Elements button, we can view the hidden elements again. Finally, to facilitate the creation of architectural elements from sketch surfaces, we have the Show Hide Sketch button. By clicking on it, we can show or hide all the elements in the Sketch tab, regardless of the layer they are in.